A decibel is a measure of the intensity of sound. The average number of decibels at a full concert is 115. Assume that the variable is approximately normally distributed and standard deviation is 5. If 100 concerts are selected, approximately how many will have a decibel level less than 105? A little bit tricky. It doesn't appear like it's asking for proportion in percentage, but it is. That would be the idea, like if 20% of the people come in and are wearing hats. If you have 700 people come, then how many are wearing hats? You take your 700 times your 20%. Down below that, instructions there doesn't make much sense because this is how many, and so ignore the convert the answer to percentage and round to whole number. Now the round to whole number is good, but if we're asking just how many, we don't need to do the percentage. Okay. Now it doesn't say standard normal, doesn't say z-score, so we have to calculate it. Z is equal to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Our x is going to be approximately we'll have decibel level less than 105. So 105 will be our x. Mean's a lot easier. It actually tells you the average is 115. And standard deviation is easy too because they tell you standard deviation is 5. Now, if you're putting this in your calculator all at once, key to it is put parentheses on top. Is that negative 10? And then negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Now let's read it closer and see if it's a less than or greater than. Let's see. Approximately how many decibel levels will be less than? Less than is shaded to the left, which works out well because that's what our table is based upon. Now, our number is negative 2, but if I were to put zeros on there, it'd be 0, 0. Now, the first part of the number here, the negative 2.0, we look on the left side, which is right there. This is our hundredths place, so we look in the 0.00 column, which is right here. And you come down, and the intersection of those, it's going to be our value, 0.0228. Now, specifically, it's asking us if 100 concerts are selected, how many of them will have that? So after we find this, we then want to multiply that times 100. You can put it on your calculator, but multiplying by 100 means moving decimal place 2 places, which gives us 2.28, and then rounding would give us 2 concerts. And that's our answer.